Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girlz Valentine's collaboration. We are going to go in today with our little model, Miss Harley Marie. On here, she is sporting some beautiful pink and red polish. The red is Beetles, number 478. It is this vibrant red. I have 2 coats on there. The pink is Model 1's. It's a mini. It is strawberry ice cream, and on there I have topped Ice Bar, which is this really pretty glitter topper. So yeah, I have that on there. I thought I was filming, to come to find out I wasn't. I was just jacking my jaw. And yeah, so here we are. We've gotten this far. I'm gonna go in on this nail for sure with some glue gel, because I'm going to be adding some really beautiful red glitter. I don't know if I should put it on both red nails, just the one. I'm really indecisive right now. I always wing everything. So I don't know what to do, but we're going to pop this in, give it a flash cure, and see how we proceed. I'm also going to be putting on some stickers, some heart and keys. I think these are really super cute. And we gotta have our bling. Gotta have the bling. So we popped that in, we gave it a flash cure. I'm going to go in with a brush. This is a e.l.f. brush. It is a smudge brush. Oh, where is it? There we go. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do this with the glitter. And coat the nail. I think this is a beautiful mix. I got this from a nail sister of mine. I think that, oh, look at that. Ain't that gorgeous? I'm going to have to do the other nail too. So both red ones are going to have glitter on them. So let me pop this back in the lamp for a flash cure. Give that a few seconds in there, and I will continue on with the glitter on the index finger. Sorry for any dead air. Should cure it longer, but we're alright. Oh, it's sticky. Sticky. Sorry. Sorry about that, Charlie. Sorry, Charlie. Oh, this is just beautiful. This is a Valentine's mix. There are starbursts in here and circles, and just, it's beautiful. We go back over this. Make sure it's completely covered. Clean my brush. I am going to have to pour this back in here, so I'm going to pause this really quick. Alright, we are back. I have pressed the glitter into the nail with my finger. I have lightly brushed them off. I'm going to put my glue cap back on the gel. Let's see, what are we going to do next? I need a top coat. I need my stickers and my tweezers. And I can't talk. Down in the comments, the first one should be a playlist pinned. That way you can go and watch everybody who took part. Where is my silicone tool? Oh, we need some sticky. So I'm going to use my grip gel by She Modern. I'm going to put a quick coat over the nail, cure this. Hope everybody's going to have a great Valentine's Day today. Regardless of what your plans are, make the best of it. Just, you do you. If that's what your situation is and you're staying home like I am and not having any major plans, just do you. That's all there is to it. Just do you. Alright, we are back. We're going to go back in with our sticker. This corner just doesn't want to lay down, and I want this diagonally. Along with a pair of lips. Let me top coat this and see if that'll help it stick down. My decal wants to move around. I'm going to pause again so I can stick this in really quick. Alright, we are back. I am going to put some grip gel on the pinky nail. And I'm going to place some of the keys and hearts on there. But I want to make sure they have something sticky to hold on to. So once again, I'm going to flash cure this. Maybe for like 10 seconds. Give them something sticky to hold on to. These little jobby doos here, the iridescent-y pastel colors. And I think they're just too cute. Too cute. So we're going to put, whoops, a couple on the nail. Whoops. Say whoopsie. I want a certain color of heart. Well, and a key. I shouldn't do that. So I'm going to press these down onto the nail. And my key came up. Oh. Stay on the nail. Stay on the nail. You do a little bit of doctoring here, unfortunately. These are going to slide around on the nail a little bit. I've already put one layer of top coat on there. I do want to add some bling to them. Definitely running low on top coat. My ink pen's not going to help me there. So, and I'm getting all quiet here, trying to place my gems. So let me put those in there. And pop out some other ones. Whoops. Whoa. Wipe that off. Try to put that back on the nail. There we go. And I'm going to hurry and slide this in the lamp and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. I have went ahead and did the gem placement on the ring finger as well as the index finger. What do you think so far? Thumbnail. Gonna put some bling on the thumbnail. Gotta have something up top here. Gotta have something up top there. So we'll go in with a few. Place them up top. Oops. There we go. I'm going to pop those in for a flash. I'm not going to pause for that one. It's just a flash cure. On the one finger, we're going to put in some red sequin hearts. And maybe some bling around them, and then some bling on the other nail just as an accent around it. Okay. Those are set. We'll put some red sequin hearts on the middle finger here. Or say the index finger. Whatever finger this is. There we go. I'm going to flash cure this one as well. And I think, no, I'm not going to say we're done. We're almost done. We're almost there, but not quite. Let me check out the situation. Let me make sure we got enough glitter and bling on our Glitter Girlz Valentine nails. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so now. It is, was, and always will be free. I upload 3 times a week, so when you click that bell, please click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Let me check out each nail. See that it's... What do you think? I upload 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. I invite you to come back, check me out, see what you think. I'm going to close up shop here. And we are finito for today. Here is our Glitter Girlz Valentine's Mani. I hope you like, hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoyed seeing Harley Marie out again. But here's our Mani. Hope you have yourselves a blessed day. And thank you.